Day 1 of making 6 tables. Behold, a wonderful slab of ash. You might have noticed there's a bit of a curve to it, so I have an oak straight edge here, and I'm just going to line that up how I like. Grab my pencil here and scribe a nice long straight line. Once we have our line drawn, we can throw on our safety squints and grab our circular saw. Now I know it's not a hand tool, but I'm being paid by the table here, not the litres of sweat. So now we have something that's starting to resemble a plank, but we're not done yet. A few more boards cut out now, and if we look closely, we can still see all these horizontal lines there from the sawmill. We need to get rid of them. When I was taking the measurements for the tables, I hadn't a piece of paper handy, but I did manage to find this paper plate. So that's our plans there now in their entirety. It's day 2 and I'm here with this fella. It's known as a jointer thicknesser, and we essentially need to feed the planks through the surface here. Before we had tables like this, we would have had to use jointer planes like the Stanley No. 7 and whatever else. But essentially how it works is, this bed down here is slightly lower than this one here, and there's a spinning cutter here, and as you feed the plank through this, it shaves down all the high spots. You can see that now this was taken off, and the low spots, well, I need a few more passes to get it looking like this. So now that we have them all flat on one side, we need to bring them to the right thickness. So we'll adjust our jointer thicknesser here and bring her up to 2 inches. Next we have to feed the planks back through the machine, this time through the thickness. The dust extraction bags filled up fairly quickly there now. So we empty them all into these 1-ton bags here, and I think they get used as animal bedding or something. Class. So basically we just do that a load of times until we get all the boards down to 35mm thick. So I was asked to go on a Zoom call with a classroom full of woodworking students. Now, I never actually did woodworking in school, so I don't know what I'm going to talk to these people about, but we'll give it a go and see what happens. Bit of fun, but I'm here now and I just have every single one of them planks gone to the right thickness. But we're not done yet. We still need to joint the edge. So just like we planed the surface the first time, we also need to plane the edge. So same old story, move the fence up here, we flick that fella on. Away we go. So at the end of day 2, we have all of these ready to be turned into tabletops. I was hoping I'd get 3 tables out of it. I think now I'll only get 2. So that means I'm going to have to repeat the entire process with just one of these again. Which means I'm going to have to head back to the yard and find one more of these. But let's see what tomorrow brings. Good luck.